Hi, welcome to Creative Math with Ching-Hui. Happy 2021. In this video today, we're going to talk about ball of wax. Okay, this is a very fun game, so I'm going to combine with a math lesson with it. Okay, are you ready? It's called ball of wax. Okay, so when I teach a math lesson, usually I like to ask my students questions first. Okay, because I think when you give them some question to think about, that usually will stimulate their creativity or creative thinking. If you first talk about, what we're going to do the game and then what's that about, then they will not think about, more like some thoughts about why the teacher used this game for a lesson, something like that. Okay, so you can see this is magnetic. Okay, so this game is composed of 30 magnetic wax pieces, and you can see we can make different design. If we look at a single piece, you can see the bottom shape is more like a diamond shape, okay? But actually it's more like a pyramid, 3D figure, okay? So when I teach a math lesson, I usually let my students observe first, and I ask them some questions such as how many colors they see here, or how many in one group. Okay, so by doing that, we can stimulate their curiosity, and then also when you do something like, when you get close, these two get close together, they can connect because they are made of magnets. Okay, so here are 30 magnetic wax pieces. So we know 5 in one color group, and there are 6 colors in the whole set. So there are 30 pieces. Okay, so when the lesson I come up with, you do the factor of 30 is take 2 out is 15, and then 3 and then 5. So we can have the student do, well, if it's only one single piece, then how many pieces, and they can lay out. Okay, I already demonstrated earlier. Or for example, if it's 2, factor 2, then you can ask them to use 2 pieces to make a design. Okay, and then they will say, well, then they can make about 15 different kind of design. They can say, well, I can do this kind of design, or I can do this kind of design, or you can do this kind of design. But as basically this and this is just the same, but from different angle. Okay, so 2 times 15 is 30. And the next, the factor of 3, you can ask the students make a design with 3 pieces. Okay, and this is one of the design they can come up with. It looks like a 3-dimensional cube, right? Okay, and then from this angle, it looks like more like I don't know how to describe. Anyway, it's a 3D dimensional figure. Okay, so and then so on and so forth. You can even ask them to create when 4 pieces put together, and 4 pieces put together, they can have different combination as well. So this is very fun game. Also, when 5 pieces all put together, what we can make. So let's see. I'm going to have 5 pieces. Okay, it's really cool. Okay, so you can have them figure out 30 And the factor of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. And then when they all put 30 pieces together, they are going to make a bowl, okay? Or it could be different design, something like this, okay? Or it could be the bowl shape, okay? So, but when they use all of the 30 pieces, that only one figure they can make, no matter what kind of shape or design they come up with. But they will only see only one kind of figure they can make. So that means 30 times 1 equals 30. Okay.